Here, 27,000.
Yeah.
From Max Bar P. 27,000.
Yeah, man, I'm making much nice.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Famous Snoop on the Brooklyn corner. Snoop! Outside. Spencer, I want to tell you, say, a viewer from the UK, she's known as Max Bar P. Yeah, because she noticed me always I drive up and down on the road and thing, and she said, yo, I seen like a donation for the taxi driver with the ID you have is a flash in front of the screen. And I say, yo man, I Spencer that man. And just send a little contribution for you. And I say, you can big up yourself.
No, first
there. $2,000. So now she see, come down, she see, so you see there. She name Max Bar P.
Max Bar P, no respect, you're here.
From the UK.
I'm new the taxi driver, baby.
Spencer. See man.
Alright.
So
no respect.
Yeah, no
one
respect.
Love, baby.
Every time.
Every time.
Alright, then so big up yourself, Spencer. You don't know the view of them I watch here, you know.
Alright.
And then realize that you're the driver.
Alright,
you see what I say?
That's hard.
Because it's a good thing you have the badge with ever flash.
Yeah.
So that badge she see and she say, yo, that badge there, yeah.
Yes.
Official.
Oh, yeah.
The badge official, you see me? So you see the thing. So give thanks for you do for me and the support that you bring every time and I'm a car there. You spend?
Alright, my brother.
Yeah, man.
I hear love the family.
Alright then.
One love, my brother.
Yeah.
Alright.
Jin.
Come on, brother.
There again once more. One now different colour do rag. Different colour for the week. You see me? Prince.
Yeah, like air.
Then they are like air. It's very strong.
Yeah, straight, you see.
Boy, yeah, Delgado.
Straight there, man, you know, all the ground, you know.
Yeah.
All the ground, you know. See me, I said, there, all the ground, man,
you know. You know anything, though?
You see?
Yeah.
Man.
They up on the journey.
Yeah, man, you know me on the ground, you know. I tell you, you know.
Boy, you start to show the people that stop talk, boy.
Yeah, man, you see, we love the people, you know. Yeah, man, we love them, yeah, man.
Yeah, because one girl say, yo, Delgado, cute him up on shirt.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it?
Yeah, man, so put it on, you know, straight Chelsea, you know, you hear that?
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man.
You suppose about boss was like to the man.
So we're there on the mission. Yeah, so we have some donation for you. Yeah, so we get to the donation part, so you know the thing already. Yeah. And we have from we have Max B, we have Max Bar P from the UK. Yeah, Prince. Max Bar P from the UK, $7,000. Max Bar P from the UK, $7,000. Yeah, from Max Bar P.
You give yourself Max Bar P, enough love, enough honor, enough respect.
Yeah, because you know what I go towards the materials and things.
Yeah,
isn't it? Because some say drinking place have come to a close. Yeah, you know say. Yeah. I hear that. I will also have a donation for Marvin. Marvin.
Yeah, bless him.
Marvin.
Name card.
The name card.
Blessing, blessing love, you know, blessing love, blessing respect.
Yeah.
The world, you know,
Street.
God, you don't know, you know.
Yeah.
Like what go on.
Yeah.
You see, anybody who send it out, blessing love, blessing respect, God they around me, you know.
So Max Bar P from the UK.
Max
3,000.
Party,
Yeah.
give thanks, you know. You know, this wet my palm, so it's a blessing, you know, long far this I go reach. Blessing love.
Yeah.
Blessing love.
Max Bar P.
Max Party.
You leave it yourself.
Respect Max Bar P, because you know. Where Max Bar P come like a P dog. You know? Only for wings, isn't it? Fly, isn't it? Yeah, man, isn't it? Respect Max Bar P, man, you know?
Cheers. And we also have liquor. Max Bar P as well. Like a donation for you as well too. 2005 from Max Bar P.
Thanks Max Bar P. We're there from the starting to the end.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And she also give 2 pair of earring and a shirt for you as well from Max Bar P. Sure man. And 2 pair of earring.
Thanks again Max Bar P. More blessing and work for God, make your basket will ever full and never empty.
Yeah.
And honor you.
Because you see up on the journey and she say you never stop, you always have to put in the work. The only woman from the journey.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
She's always there in the Max Bar P, you know, because the next journey we have a second, you know.
Yeah.
Prince Place, you know.
Prince Place on the second.
On the journey, you know, because
Yeah.
she did the airport enough thing.
And yeah, so she say we have to big up the chef too, you know. You see me? She say yo, see the chef, $2,000 from Max Bar P.
Yeah, man. Max
The
Bar
chef
P.
himself.
Respect, yeah, Max Bar P.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Anything go. And she also say must
See him.
give you this links spray from Max Bar P.
Max Bar P. Whoa.
Yeah, test it now.
Oh.
Just links. No, I see me, let's press it. Yeah. You know what me? Yeah. See what me there now. Lock, see me? Still a lock. Let me see what I want to pay. Alright, see you.
Whoa.
You're good to go there.
Yeah, man. Max Bar P. Remember, I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
Holy for love, holy for bless the car, John, no, even know what you do all right now. Sweeter, you get me sweeter.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
See my Max Bar P. Yeah, man.
Yes, I kick up.
Yeah, man.
Kick up, see there?
Whoa, Max Bar P, I love it. You hear that?
Alright.
Cool like ice water.
And you have Gin from Max Bar P.
Max Bar P, man.
Here, 27,000 from Max Bar P. 27,000.
Yeah, man, that tell you smell nice. You see?
Smell it, man.
27 from Max Bar P.
To Max Bar P, though.
Yeah,
Yeah, one for love and respect. And I'm blessing for you, see?
yeah.
Because right now, this kind of effort and certain things, house kind of finish up, so don't know one certain thing to try to put in the right now. So this I go towards certain things, see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so one for love and respect, Bar P. Blessings.
And you also have a Sure Man from Max Bar P.
Okay.
And then
Cool, man. Good. One for respect and love.
yeah.
And a blessing, Bar P. Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, love you.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Max Bar P, we love them.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, Max Bar P, love them.
Yeah.
Cool,
See
man.
me Max Bar P. Love them Max Bar P.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
One for
Street of
love
the
and
place, man, I tell them I'm about it.
Just Prince
Yeah, man.
from Max Bar P.
Yeah, man.
You get 2 roll on.
Straight.
Big up yourself, Max Party. Only for love, nobody for respect. Like we are doing thing for me.
Yeah.
They don't know what's going on, Max Party.
Yeah.
They said love.
Blessed love.
Straight respect.
See there? So Prince,
Yeah.
we also have a donation from Kingston12 baller
Yeah.
from the UK.
Yeah.
$5,000. Kingston12 baller from England. Kingston20 baller.
Big up yourself, Kingston12 baller. Much love, enough respect.
Straight.
Straight. You see me? Only for blessings.
You know?
You know your thing already. And you have Jin Kingston20 baller too. From the UK. $5,000 from Kingston20 baller.
Yeah, to Kingston12 baller. Only for respect and love family. Give thanks to you see it? Blessings and honor every time. Bless yourself. Only for love, you see it? Yeah, to Kingston20 baller. Much love.
Straight. And you have Prince again. From Marcus Hall. From Brooklyn, New York.
Straight.
$5,000 was a material.
Give thanks, Marcus Bar. Enough love, enough respect, enough honor, enough blessing.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Marcus Hall, County.
Marcus Hall.
Yeah, County.
Big up yourself, Marcus Hall. One.
Five. Yeah, from Marcus Hall, from Brooklyn, New York.
Big up yourself, Marcus Hall. From Brooklyn, New York. Enough respect. Enough honor.
City of New York. Well, I want it City of New York. Boy, I tell you. Twice, you know?
Just keep on and show out the blessings.
Yeah, man, straight, isn't it?
Jin from Marcus Hall as well too. From Brooklyn, New York. $5,000.
Marcus Hall, big up, man, is it?
Yeah, only for blessing to Marcus Hall. Give thanks. Only for love my family, you see me? Respect and honor every time. Guide and protection.
Yeah.
Blessing to everybody. Everyone. So only for love. That one. Marcus Hall, bless my family. Everyone. Only for love and respect. You see me? Give thanks to everybody carrying the house and done.
Yeah.
I almost finished and on a paint out and everything.
Yeah.
I just like the material and this stuff.
Yeah.
I just
Marvin. Yeah, Carl Daniel. Only for love still and only for blessing, you know. You see me? Respect for all and who goes out for we, you know. Yeah. Goes out for respect for that, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Marcus Hall.
Marcus Hall, respect, yeah, Marcus Hall.
Yeah, you know, Max Bar P.
Yeah, kind of. Love Dede, you see Max Bar P. Marcus Hall, you see him. Love Dede, man, you see him.
Kingston12 baller, bless
Yeah, man, Kingston12 baller, bless up, you see me.
See him, yeah. And all the people that want support and reach out.
Bless up on yourself and just be strong, take care of yourself on the road. I don't know, say rough more time to go up on the road for the same donation. So you want to just protect yourself out there, please, you see me? I want to do, not must do it, but you just have a heart and just do it, you see me? So I respect to everybody who donate from starting now. Straight. Only for love and respect to you. Give thanks to right now. Second, comfortable in certain way, you know, brother?
Yeah.
Everybody hold for respect and love and every time. Now I'm going to get one with you, see me? So,
Yeah, true.
Yeah, man. Respect for everybody and respect for no moment.
Yeah, for your spray.
Yeah, man, because all the sweetness, because boy, them sweet and the girls, them say, Danny, smell good, I say, yeah, man, baby, man, you know? Respect the woman of God. Yeah, man, woman of God, respect. Bless up to you, know.
Everybody, everyone supported them and what people them are doing.
Boy, come like a chain of people that are telling them about right now. You see me? Like a chain of people right now. Respect, honor, love the people in the yard. Yeah, man, you see? Respect on for that, yeah, people. Respect on for that, man.
People don't stop talking about boy, you know.
Respect
God himself, you know.
I'm sure,
yeah, man, I'm sure now, you know.
Yeah, man. I'm sure, you know, them more time
yeah, man.
You know, really?
Yeah, shirt me start wear now, man. That's the regular, man, you see?
Regular.
I'm see on the camera again, man. Always shirt, yeah. Yeah, but I'm not see me on a shirt. That's not work all the time, hot. Yeah, man, you see?
Right through the year.
All of Europe, respect England, America, you know?
Everybody, Caribbean,
everywhere, you know?
Everyone.
Jamaican people, respect.
Everyone will tune in. You see me I say? Give thanks to everybody for the support. Give thanks to the Almighty. Because you don't know without him, as I said, things would have possible same way.
Straight on line, man.
You see me? People them say them like how Prince a look now, you know? They must smile more and thing. You see me? So that kind of good. You see me? So at least they make them smile for no say yo, Una smile, Ginger smile, Prince a smile. You see me? Because remember, you know, but we start from the beginning, changes every day. You see me? I said, more upliftment, more and more as we go through. So we have to give thanks same way. You understand? The people that are always continue to do the same. Yeah, and Prince a look more sober and sober. The medication at work. Medication at work. I'm not seeing no shaking now, you know. Normal, I say shaking right now, you know.
Yeah, real thing, man, you see.
Yeah, so. So medication at work and thing, but not lie. So we really have to give thanks. Yeah. And the ginger put on weight. You see?
I can't hear somebody call me and say, I say,
yeah, man, them say ginger put on weight, man, so you know, say the blessings.
It's a real thing, man, cause
we miss the pot to the still in Delgado, because we cook sawfish and baked bean and dumpling.
yeah, man, tomorrow, every day, tomorrow, you know, a different style, but you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, you don't do it from your day tomorrow, and then build it.
Yeah. Hopefully we get the bill, I say. That's what I say. Alright, so you must have unfinished business to deal with them same way. You see me? Because I say the place are paint out and everything now.
Yeah, man, tomorrow the boss there, you know, cause you know why? Like the healthy, we have to healthy out the wall and build a hole in night, you know.
Okay.
Come through, the local pipe come through, you know.
Oh, for the kitchen pipe.
The kitchen and then everything done there, so you see me?
Alright,
yeah. Man, I'm just going to Prince right now, go set it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
We're not forget it, you know, I go set it.
Set
man.
it. I know, say everything set.
Yeah, man, set it right now.
So I'm going to chop out.
Love for the youth to smile and, you know.
Yeah.
Man, you see me, I said? Yeah, man. Straight, you know.
Yeah. Be a smile upon Prince, which is right, all the time. Everything, though.
Yeah, man, because now I left him out, you know, because years ago they do this thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, dream time now.
that
See me?
Yeah.
Dream time now. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm somebody who care for real, but that
Yeah.
check up on him something so.
Yeah.
I put something that for you.
Yeah, because you know, liquor always got there for you because she check for your medication now, right? Yeah, and she being a doctor. So as I mean, I say, everything is possible. So you look sober now, I'm not like you look more relaxed.
Yeah, which is right.
You see me? I'm kind of like that still. You see me?
It's cool now, you know?
It's cool now, though.
Yeah.
Alright, so imagine when the place be now.
You see, take off like a aeroplane, man.
Whoa! Yes, the one that find him feet. Whoa! That one that connect. Delgado, you might learn from Delgado. It's a brush up.
Right track now.
It's a brush up, Delgado.
Yeah, man, because the track when they put right now, I put him on it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I want him to come off.
Straight.
Yeah, because the track there, it will make him stay on right now, you know.
Alright, man.
Yeah, man, you know, they let him just go and look and get him thing, and you know. Alright, you see me? You see me, I said?
Yeah, man, they're on the right track, man, yo.
Yeah, man, all the ground food, I'm going to start eating now. All the yeah, man, banana and dumpling, you see me, I said? Yeah, man, all the ground food, I'm going to start eating now. All the nerves food.
And drink up him sour sap tea and
all the sour sap leaf and tea and, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there, man, I just go and put that in the track and dip on. No, take him off.
Take him off, I can't take him off. Above them,
Yeah.
Respect your body, you know.
Yeah.
Love your body, you know.
Yeah.
Love the show walk on and everything, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Both of the people, you know. Love them.
Cool, man. Put in the good work, man. But Delgado, the star.
You're not for Walla, you know.
Yeah.
Big up, yeah.
Yes, I was a big up Walla.
Yeah, man, I'm a gentleman.
I'm a watcher, man.
Yeah, Walla, that's a man. Yeah, man.
Vera and Shelly and the whole team and Faith and Roxanne and woman of God. There's so much. You see me, the unknown them. You see me, the whole of the unknown them.
I'm going to tell my girl that she want to say to me a cook.
Apple pie.
Apple pie, she name?
Yeah.
Apple pie Janice. Tell her apple pie. Holy apple juice, you know? Yeah, man. I Apple them down your waist, you know.
Yeah.
Enough apple tree we have, you know.
Yeah, you cook us some white rice and curry chicken back.
Someone knows the national dish is white rice.
Curry chicken back. Oh.
Yeah, man. After yourself, shout town people thing, you know. Yeah, man, our thing, that man. You see?
Yeah.
National dish.
Right.
She get her sauce and juice behind it.
Yeah, man. Anything she want behind to give her, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Apple pie, say nothing, man.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Big up apple pie, man. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Body, you know, you see me?
Yeah. Marvin Morgan, the journey never ends.
The journey never ends, man. I hope a blessing to the world, man. What if I love to the world, you know? That way I use and conquer the world, you know. Love, respect. Is in God, you know, Father God. Bless him, Lord.
I forgive thanks.
Is he? Yeah, man.
I forgive thanks.
I forgive thanks.
Who has an energy?
Jen. So you know the thing going on, I always continue the journey.
Yeah, see how you do, man. Just keep up the good work with a good thing you do, Kino.
Yeah, man.
The program, a good program.
Yeah, man, we're not stop, man.
Like you see, brother.
Yeah.
So I want a blessing to you, Kino.
Yeah, man, I will give thanks to that. Give thanks for life.
Tell the brother for the program, I tell no, brother.
Come in there.
Big
Yeah,
up yourself, Pretty Dana.
yeah, I'm pretty Dana.
Big up yourself, Pretty Dana. Much love, much strength, you know? Much love.
Yeah, man. Respect everybody, you know. Pretty Dana.
Yeah,
Body, man. Respect, you know. Yeah, man.
pretty
I want to
Dana.
see said the prince attack now. One time him couldn't talk.
Yeah, no Prince are
Mind
chicken.
the far and now him a
Pretty Dana.
chipping
Time
now.
after right now, summer. Yeah, man, need water in my cup, you know.
Yeah,
So we do it at Jamaica, you know.
sure.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Prince, I remember pretty Dana say, you know, say, right now everything a chipping.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Everything a chipping, you know what I mean, Prince?
Yeah, man. Prince. Love Prince. Yes, look, man.
Yeah, I'm looking more better and fresher now and everything and more fertile, you see me? I'm up here now and thing. Yeah.
Yeah, man, thing you see. Roll up, you see me, I say.
I remember say from the start, you know, you can see from the start until now, there's a whole heap of changes for him. You see me? And the people them really happy. You see me? Them really glad to see where them are going. You see me? So at least everybody can see what them contribute to. You see me? I say big up Nana, because you know Nana contribute to your field for God doctor.
Yeah, Nana, big up yourself, man. Much love, much strength, you know?
Yeah. So you don't know Nana reach out to you and say, you know, I could bring him to a doctor and check out and so I go on. So Nana, big up yourself in the UK every time.
Yeah, man.
You see me, right through. You see me, one of the viewers them and the subscribers them and the thanks for watching. You see me, and the people them want support. And who not support yet, I got support, you see me. So I'm big up on yourself, same way. So we are continuing the journey, you know, we think of Kino life in Jamaica. It never end. Kino life in Jamaica.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. The general, just, you see, Kino life in Jamaica, I to the pan, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, man, because we not come off the journey yet.
No.
I want everybody see Prince now in the pan him feet, you know, more smiling and thank Dana to give the support.
Yeah.
That him can come through. And you ever see many more of him said way. That strong same way by help of Father God with everybody.
Yeah.
Just go and do the things same way. Blessing and more blessing on top of blessing.
Alright then, see it there. So we're gonna sign out now, you know, we're gonna check out what I go on in the room and so far. What I go on downstairs. So
Peace and love, everybody, yeah. Respect, yeah. Peace and love.
Yeah.
So do everyone again, one for blessing, one for love, and just take care of yourself.
Yeah,
See
sure.
me? One love.
Yeah.
Guidance everybody, much love, much strength, you know. Yeah.
Then big up yourself, Prince. Be your teeth. You see me? No one teeth them
Always
out.
for love to the world and always for
Yeah.
blessings, you know.
Alright then.
You see? Blessing, Lord.
And more blessing for each and every one of us. Without the honor and without the Father God, nothing could not go right. So big up on yourself. And we have more journey for each other than for Prince and more on top of more.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, come like Moses in the rod, you know, nah, stop, you know. Come apart the sea, you know. Yeah, man, for the people them go through, you know. Yeah, man, the journey never stop.
Never stop.
Yeah, man. Remember, Mama tell them, man, you see.
They got
Yeah,
themselves.
man. Peace, you know, love, you see each other.
Boy,
But Chelsea, I kill something tomorrow.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man.
I want to tell you about.
They say the first quote is done. You know, bright. Gaming show.
And I want to tell you, say Ginger have a nice bathroom. We can come get a beer.
Oh, so the winner is
She's
6
here. You know? So I'm waiting there. What go right here, so? The water is smash. Curtain.
Yeah, the spring right now. You got the spring one there. Let's put it in the previous. Let's go on for the water. Spring tension.
You know what spring tension is?
Yeah.
Oh, me not say, so I really does come.
Yeah. Oh, I can't read it.
Oh, because he might go.
Yeah.
Girl, no, little shit that's up.
No, let's put that.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.